What's up guys, it's your boy Shadain here, and today we're back with another video. And today's video we'll be talking about Adobe's new generative AI that has been added into the Photoshop. Now Photoshop has gotten a new feature which has been added to the Photoshop beta app. Now this app is a separate app from the original Photoshop, but it has the same things, just added with that new feature, which is the generative fill. Now, generative fill basically lets you generate anything that you type on that prompt by just selecting something, and you can basically write anything and it will fill it with an image of your liking, anything. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use this feature and how you can basically download the Photoshop beta and use it for your own purposes. So with no further ado, let's get into this video. What is up guys? Alright guys, so you're back with this video, and the first thing we want to go into is basically showing you guys where you can download the Photoshop beta. Now the Photoshop beta is a part of the Adobe suite, so if you have paid for Adobe's memberships, you can basically get the Photoshop beta in your Photoshop Creative Cloud. You just go in there and you should be able to download this and use it to your liking. Now there's another option which I will be showing you in a little bit, but before we do that, we're gonna go over to the computer and show you guys some more about that and let you guys see how we go about everything. All right guys, so we are back and I'll be showing you guys exactly how to get the Adobe beta. Now once you have your Creative Cloud, once you've paid for your Photoshop or your subscription, all you need to do is go into the apps section. Once you go into the apps section, you will go to beta apps, and you should go down to this side and you will be seeing all the beta apps they have currently that you can download. Now for me, I basically have the Photoshop and other programs that they offer to me that I can try. Now for this one, you just download it and you'll be fine. Now there's an other way. If you guys don't have the official version of Photoshop and you want to try this beta out, what you can do is you can go to this website called Adobe Sensei Generative AI Firefly. I'll be leaving the exact link in the description. So what you'll be doing is going to the Explore Firefly once you've gone onto the page, and once you go there, it will ask you for, show you these options here. What you'll be going into is generative fill. Hit generate, and then you'll be able to upload a photo. Now in this case, let me upload one of my old photos. Let's try this one. I've did the demonstration with this one already, but I'm just showing you what you can do with the generative AI. Now let me just, if you look here, I can basically go ahead and mark out these scenes, and then I could hit generate and it will basically generate something for me. Let's see. So there you have it. It basically went ahead and filled the entire image for me, which is really good. Now I'm gonna hit keep. Then I will go ahead and use the remove feature. Now this is basically just giving you all these beta features on your browser instead of getting a paid version to use. So if you guys can't afford it and you want to still try it, you can go ahead and try it. Remove. It's gonna go ahead and remove these. I kind of hate how it looks. There you have it. It removed it. So that's basically it. I'm gonna show you one more thing. I'm gonna hit save. Now I'm gonna show you one more thing, which is like adding in an object in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and basically remove some of this, because you gotta basically erase it. I guess that's the way it selects something. So I'm going to go ahead and erase all that, and I'm gonna hit tree, generate, and let's see what happens. There you go. It made a tree that looks very realistic. I like this one, so I'm gonna keep this one. So there you have it. That's the way how you can basically try this feature out, and I'll be going into some more tests showing you guys more of what I did with the original app, which is the Photoshop beta app, and show you some of these same things that I did. But let's move on to that and see some of the things I did with that as well. We have some images I've been already editing, so I'm gonna pop up one of these photos that I have here. So this one is a image that I took, and I'm going to basically expand this one. So there's two features that they've added, which is the remove tool. Now that remove tool is what will help you remove stuff. Like for example, I want to remove this logo. I'll go ahead and I'll cover this out, and I'll get the middle part as well, and it's gone. But you can see it looks kind of weird. I mean, it's, if you zoom in, it still kind of looks weird, but it's fine, right? Now that's basically what the remove tool does. Now we're going to be showing you the other feature, which is the expand feature, or the generative AI. So let me, I think this, either this one or this, looks really realistic, and it actually matches the autofocus plane, which is really good. I'm telling you guys, let's add something different. I don't know what I'm gonna add, but let's add something different, which is, I'm gonna leave that tree there. Let's add, say, a stone. Let's add a rock here. Let's hit a rock and see how that will look. it made a guitar. I don't know why it made a guitar. All right, let's hit stone instead of rock. Don't know why it put, I don't know why it put rock as a guitar, which is weird. I don't know, the generative AI thought rock is in rock and roll. There we go. So it added the stone, but the stone kind of looks fake. This one, it still looks weird. So this, it doesn't do as well. I mean, I don't know if anybody would believe this is real. I don't know what you guys think, but I think it looks kind of weird to me. Maybe you guys would believe it, but it looks weird in my opinion. All right, I'm gonna add one more thing, which is give these flowers. Let's put flowers. Let's see what happens. Like, to see if it would replace the top parts with like flowers in the top, in the grass itself. Let's see what happens. It looks weird. Yep, this one will fail. That one's a fail. Let's try. What else can we try? Let's put a turtle. Let's put a turtle here. Let's put a turtle there and see what happens. If it will actually draw a perfectly looking turtle. Ooh, that looks good. Sort of. It looks kind of good. It looks too perfect, in my opinion. This one looks more blend in. So I think this one definitely could fool somebody. But yeah, guys, what do you guys think? Let me drop some other photo in here. Let's see. Let's put this one here. So let me explain what I was saying before. Let's try with this one as well. So let me put a plane in the sky for this one. Plane. Generate the plane. Let's see what happens. Let's see if this one will work, and I will show you the car, how it messes up the car whenever, no matter how big I put it. I could even, probably if I put it in a distance, it would have looked better. See, the plane looks weird. I don't think this will look realistic. It looks weird. I don't know. I think in my opinion it looks weird. Let's see if I can move it up. No, it wouldn't work if I moved it. I don't like it. Let's try it one more time. Let's try probably smaller. Let's see how it will like adapt that plane. Hopefully it looks better this time. I don't think I like it. What do you guys think? Do you think you would believe that plane's real? I think it looks weird. I don't think it looks realistic. It looks too polished for the mood I've got on my image here that I've edited. So I think it would be a fail. All right, do the same thing. I don't think it works well with backgrounds. Let's put a car here. Let's put a car. Let's see how it does. This one worked. Putting the car in a distance looks better. So having a distant car looks better. Let's try making the plane like in a distance then and see if that will work. Hopefully it works this time. Could you guys believe that was actually there in the image? I still don't know. It still looks kind of realistic in my opinion. It still looks more polished. I think I could believe this one looks somewhat realistic. But yeah, that's basically it for today's video, guys. This is what I wanted to show you guys. But let me know in the comments what you guys think about this generative AI and give me your thoughts. All right, guys, so that's everything you need to know about the Adobe Generative AI, and all the features that we've covered that's what been added. And if you guys want to see more videos like these one, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. We'll be also going ahead and going over some of the Lightroom features that they've added as well, that has definitely improved with photographers that are using this app to better edit their photos much faster and being able to edit their photos, like being able to select certain subjects and so forth. But we'll leave that for another video. So go ahead, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.